Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Hey there, business owners. Are you ready to save some serious money on your taxes this year? It's Carhelpout here, a simple way to get a mobile mechanic service to come to you at any location at your convenience. And let's talk taxes. Specifically, how to keep more of your hard-earned money in your pocket. This information should not be used as a tax advice. Please contact your CPA. This video is for information purpose only. We're diving into two powerful tools that can help you do just that. These tools are Section 179 and Bonus Depreciation. They are designed to give your business a financial boost. These are not loopholes. They're legitimate incentives created to help your business grow and thrive. We're talking about significant savings on equipment purchases, including vehicles, machinery, and other essential tools. Think of it like this. You need a new work truck or some heavy machinery for your business. Instead of slowly deducting its cost over several years, these incentives let you deduct a big chunk up front, giving you immediate financial relief. That means more cash in your pocket now to reinvest in your business, hire more staff, or expand your operations. Whether you're a contractor, a florist, or run a food truck, these deductions can significantly impact your bottom line. Understanding these deductions can make a real difference in your financial planning and overall business strategy. So, buckle up as we break down these tax benefits and show you how to maximize your savings. Let's get to work and make the most of these opportunities.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Section 179 is like the express lane for deducting equipment costs. It's designed to help businesses invest in themselves by making it easier to write off the full purchase price of qualifying equipment. Instead of depreciating the expense over time, you can deduct a large portion in the year you buy and place the equipment in service. This can significantly boost your cash flow and make it easier to reinvest in your business. For 2024, the deduction limit is $1,160,000. This means you can deduct up to this amount for qualifying equipment purchases. That's a lot of potential savings. Imagine what you could do with those extra funds. Expand your operations, hire more staff, or invest in new technology. This deduction applies to various vehicles, including heavy-duty trucks, vans, and even some SUVs, as long as they're used primarily for business. This makes it easier for businesses that rely on transportation to benefit from Section 179. So, if you're a construction company buying a new dump truck, Section 179 can save you a bundle. The immediate deduction can make a big difference in your financial planning. But remember, there are limits. It's important to plan your purchases carefully to maximize your deductions. The deduction phases out if your total equipment purchases exceed $2,800,000 in 2024. This means you need to be strategic about your investments. Still, for many businesses, Section 179 is a game changer. It provides a valuable opportunity to reduce tax liability and invest in growth. And don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast in as-is condition anywhere in U.S., go to carhelpout.com/house and get a relief. Think of bonus depreciation as the turbocharger for your deductions. Just like a turbocharger boosts your car's performance, bonus depreciation supercharges your tax savings. It allows you to deduct a significant percentage of the cost of eligible property in the first year it's placed in service. This means you can recover a large portion of your investment up front, rather than spreading it out over several years. For 2024, the bonus depreciation rate is 80%. This is a substantial benefit that can significantly impact your financial planning and cash flow management. Here's how it works. Let's say you buy a delivery van for $50,000. This van is essential for your business operations and helps you expand your services. With bonus depreciation, you can deduct $40,000, 80% of $50,000 in the first year alone. This immediate deduction can provide a significant boost to your bottom line. That's a huge chunk of change back in your pocket. Imagine what you could do with that extra cash. Reinvest in your business, pay down debt, or even expand your operations. Bonus depreciation applies to new and used equipment, including vehicles used for business more than 50% of the time. This flexibility makes it an attractive option for many business owners. It's a powerful tool to accelerate your deductions and free up cash flow. By leveraging bonus depreciation, you can make strategic investments in your business and see immediate financial benefits.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Section 4. Luxury Rides Limited Write-Offs. Now, before you get any ideas about writing off that fancy sports car, there's a catch. The IRS puts limits on depreciation deductions for luxury vehicles. These limits are designed to prevent businesses from taking excessive deductions for vehicles primarily used for personal enjoyment. For passenger vehicles placed in service in 2024, the first-year depreciation deduction is capped at $12,200, even with bonus depreciation. This limit gradually increases in subsequent years. So while you can still get some tax benefits for a high-end company car, don't expect to write off the entire cost right away. Section 5. Qualifying for the tax breaks rules of the road. To take advantage of Section 179 and bonus depreciation, you need to follow some ground rules. First, the vehicle must be used primarily for business purposes. The IRS generally considers primarily to mean more than 50% of the time. Second, you must own the vehicle, not lease it. And finally, the vehicle must be placed in service during the tax year you're claiming the deduction. That means it's ready and available for its intended business use.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Section 6. Workhorses and heavy hitters. Vehicles that qualify. A wide range of vehicles can qualify for Section 179 and bonus depreciation as long as they meet the requirements. Here are a few examples. Heavy-duty trucks. Construction companies, landscapers, and other businesses using heavy-duty trucks for work can benefit significantly from these deductions. Cargo vans. Delivery companies, plumbers, and electricians often rely on cargo vans, making them eligible for these tax breaks. SUVs. Certain SUVs with a gross vehicle weight rating over 6,000 pounds might qualify, especially if they're used for towing or hauling. Once again, this information should not be used as a tax advice. Please contact your CPA or tax advisor. Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.